solar-powered inflatable light that packs flat and inflates to create a lightweight, waterproof lantern. For a few hours of charging in the sun, it provides up to 8 hours of LED light. Sunlight charges the solar panel during the daytime, and this energy is stored in a rechargeable battery. Inflate the LuminAID to diffuse the LED light and create an ambient light source with low glare. Press the button once for the low setting and twice for the high setting. The LuminAID is waterproof and can float and is extremely portable and lightweight. The LuminAID light was originally designed to address the needs of post-earthquake Haiti. We set out to make a light that could be easily distributed in times of need. Our vision is to make light more accessible and sustainable for everyone. One way we do this is through Give Light, Get Light. Thanks to the support of our customers and partner organizations, thousands of LuminAIDs have been given to people in need all over the world. Take a LuminAID light with you on your next adventure or trip. Tuck it away in your first aid kit or string them together to light your path ahead.
Everyone loves traveling. We all love to explore the amazing places around the world. And most importantly, shopping. We all want to pack every souvenir or anything we bought into the luggage. But we all face the same problem when we pack. No matter how you organize, the size of them will still be too much. In the end, we cannot put everything in the luggage but make ourselves tired. Oh, and the dirty clothes that's sticking up during the trip. We don't even want to mix it with new clothes. Or maybe there is no space for it already. Hello Kickstarter, I'm Jennifer. As a traveler, we are thinking about how to make more space in a very short time. And after our research, we found out clothes, bags, and other sort of things occupy more than 50% of the luggage for a 5-day trip. So that's why we create Vago, a miracle solution of making more space in a very short time. Now, we only need to do is to put our clothes into Vago bag. Think about it. Put on Vago, plug in power, and push the button. Vago will automatically shrink your clothes. You can enjoy your time in the hotel or any other place while Vago is doing its job. Don't worry. This intelligent Vago will automatically stop when the process is finished. The only thing you need to do is put in the shrunk vacuum bag into your luggage. You can also use portable battery to recharge Vago. We believe this convenient design could make shopaholic to buy more. Remember those dirty clothes? Vago vacuum bag could prevent smelly smell and germ, so you can keep luggage clean and use more space efficiently in the same time to make your overall trip even more convenient. So we use the general micro USB cable for the recharge design. Create extra space for your luggage to let every space count. Currently, Vago will have 4 colors and will have more color collection in the near future. Each Vago will come with vacuum bag for clothes and soft stuffs. Now Vago is in the modeling design process, and we have a really great team to make it even better. We will appreciate if you can support and plus this product. And we are sure Vago can make your trip more relaxed, more convenient, and let you bring more souvenir and memory home. Thank you for watching.
Why do we love to travel? For some, it would be to take a beautiful photo, or to get that next passport stamp. Or do we set out for more? To get lost on purpose, to open new horizons, and to take on new challenges for ourselves. To take risks, to experience the real thing, to build deeper connections with people, different cultures, and to come home. having found another piece of yourself. At GRAYL, we empower adventure with innovative water purifiers that work on virtually any fresh water source, so your travels can be safe, self-reliant, and awe-inspiring. In a world full of questions, access to clean, safe drinking water shouldn't be one of them. Purifying water has never been easier than with GRAYL. Just fill, press, and drink.